and the jam continue. Yes, folks, once again, we'd like to welcome you to the Yellow Green Farmers Market on a beautiful Saturday. It's nice to see a lovely face in the place. I want to thank you guys for coming out. And I'm going to jam some reggae music for you. We're open every Saturday and Sunday, year-round, from 8 to 4, live here in Hollywood, Yellow Green Farmers Market. Thank you one more time. And reggae music now.
With Mark Minna. Mark is the general manager of the facility, and we're just going to take a quick little walk and point. He's going to point a few things out, but give people an idea of what the Yellow Green Market is all about, what the concept behind it is.
The Yellow Green Farmers Market is based really on the principle of entrepreneurs and local businesses. The second priority is local food. The highest priority is to encourage the economy and the local economy to get a boost from local entrepreneurs. You'll find a wide range of food and items, also international bazaar feel to the market. We're a covered market, 100% out of the rain. So no matter what the weather is here, a really hot sunny day or a rainy day, you'll find a great place to go to the farmers market.
Can we take a little walk and maybe point a couple of things out? We'll just do a couple of minutes because I know you're checking things out. But we got a honey bees, somebody producing honey. Maybe just tell me, in fact, why don't you just take this and point out a couple as we walk along. Let's talk into it like you would about.
Sure. You know, one of the things that is fantastic about local food is our bodies respond best to local food, no matter where you live and what season you're in. If you eat the local food that's in season in that time, you'll find your health improving, and you'll find your eating and your body will respond to the food. Now, honey is one of the key local foods. As it gathers, the bees gather the pollen from the local plants, and you'll find yourself eating those pollens through the honey, and you'll might even be able to reduce your allergies by having a different way of introducing your body to those local pollens.
Under this 100,000 square foot roof, which was I guess a sheet metal building beforehand, fabrication before it became the market?
Yeah, after the war, it was a sheet metal factory. They made tanks, water tanks and tanks, actually for the war, as I understand. I'm still working on developing a full history of the building. When it came in and out of business, when the family that owns the property bought the business, there was a sheet metal factory that was quite run down. It was an eyesore. They put several $1 million into this property to make it into the lovely farmers market that we have. It means that we're able to have electricity in every booth. We're able to rent the booths for a very small amount. It makes it a very entrepreneurial proving ground in this community of Hollywood. Economic development, it's really boosted the neighborhood for not only specialty foods and local foods, but just keeping the money in the local economy, rather than the money being taken out of the economy by large corporations, whether it be a grocery store chain or just any producer. The producers here keep the money in the economy. They spend the money locally, and it actually is boosting the economy of Hollywood, Florida here.
I'm going to go wander around and do a little bit more, but if somebody's listening to this and they're in the South Florida area and they'd like booth space, do you still have space available?
Yes, we do have space available. If they're interested in from an entrepreneurial standpoint, if they're a fruit and vegetable grower, we're very interested in helping support the local farmers. Any type of food that we don't have, we're always willing to make a space for. We find that most people, when they come up and it is a food that we have that's very similar, they can alter it and change their ideas a little bit and create a unique business here at the market.
How would they get in touch with you?
They can call us or send me an email, but our website is ygfarmersmarket.com, and it has all the information that's needed.
Mark, thank you very much for your time. Thank you. This is Ken Angus from the Yellow Green Farmers Market in Hollywood, Florida.
Oh, yeah.